Hi everyone, I'm Joan Cabarrus and welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. We will sculpt lots of dog breeds with polymer clay using minimal tools and lots of imagination. Come on in! Hello everyone, welcome to my sculpting show. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel now. And if you have been watching all the other episodes of the Doggo Bake Show, thank you so much. Yesterday was August 26th. Here in America, it was National Dog Day. So, might as well give them some good treat. Dogs deserve some training too. Either training them to sit, training them to stay, training them to come, and training them to heel. That way, you can keep your surroundings safe. And also, you can bring a stronger bond between you and your dogs. Since this show is mainly for dogs, I will give all the dogs in the neighborhood really good treat today. Today's episode is Italian Greyhound, the most hardworking dog in our neighborhood.
I've got the drinks, buy my drinks, fresh fruit drinks incoming.
Oh mio bambino caro. Oh, today is the Doggo Bake Opera Day. All the dogs and their owners are welcome to sing opera songs. One of our dogs here is a professional opera singer, and he also sells drinks.
Everyone's waiting for my refreshing drinks. Gray? What is he doing here? Gray, are you okay?
I quit my job last Friday. I can't find another job.
Really? I need you. I'm starting to feel burned out. More and more dogs are ordering my drinks.
Huh? This is not too bad. These are lighter than what I used to do. Thank you for giving me a job, Charles.
My dear Marquise, why must you be so long to use your eyes? When you stop and stare, take a lot more care and closely scrutinize my fingers, my ankles, my feet.
I'm going to go talk to Joanne about something.
No problem, Gray. I know you are a hard worker, and I feel lucky to have you.
Gray! You seem in a good mood.
I got a new job.
That's great. What kind of job?
Delivering fruit juices with Charles.
Oh, Charles! Isn't it the one who owns the Doggo Bake Cafe? And the opera singer who joins the singing competition? Isn't that him?
Yes, that's him. I'll make this quick. Thank you very much for taking care of the whole Terry Wee's behavioral issues.
Oh, not a problem. That's my duty to keep this community safe for everyone. I'm sure Terry Wee's enjoying her time at the Kitty Bake community. Ugh! Ugh! Paul! Paul! Hurry up! Hurry up!
We don't allow laziness in here.
I'm not lazy. I am a store owner. Oh, what am I pulling here?
That's really it.
Oh, okay.
Are you going to sculpt another dog?
I haven't decided yet which one I should create today.
You can sculpt me. I'm already here.
Let's do this! Prepare your supplies. Polymer clay, toothpicks, any tools with a rounded tip, and brush and baby oil. Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake books, and the Italian Greyhound tutorial will be found in the Doggo Bake Book 1. Wow, that's very easy. That's a very easy dog breed. Pretty much 3 colors. Color gray, the spot on the chest, which is the white, and then the black for the eyes and the nose. The only thing that I want you to know about this sculpture, it could be very fragile, especially the legs and the tail are very, very skinny dogs. And so that when you create this dog, it's also gonna be skinny. Please remember to grab your copies of the Doggo Bake 1, 2, and 3 to learn 60 dog breeds to create. Please subscribe to my channel and click that bell on the right side so it will notify you next time when my next video will come out. See you again next Friday for another dog.
Rifa!